Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. How you doing today? This is, I would say, part 3 of my pizza video. Remember I told you I would set aside 2 doughs in the fridge. Here it is. Look at that. Look at that. They always said the dough is much better when it's aged. So today we'll make 2 pizza, and I'll be making it on the pan instead of the pizza pan instead of the pizza stone. So remember, you see this subscribe button right down here, that red subscribe, remember to hit that subscribe so you could be notified whenever I drop my amazing videos, okay? And always look out for my videos. So now we're gonna make my pizza. First, I'll grease my pan with just a bit of olive oil, not too much. Tip more, just a tip more. That wasn't even nothing much, but see my pizza dough? You want to start from the middle. Remember, you want the crust. And you just work it all the way out. Just work it all the way out and give it that crust that most people love and enjoy. And I like my pizza to be thin. I don't like a thick crust pizza. And that's my oven. It was preheating at 500. Now I'll add my pizza sauce. I had a little cayenne pepper in my sauce. Give it a bit of kick. And yeah, I don't like too much sauce on my pizza. I think that will do it. Now I'll add my cheese. This is mozzarella cheese and pizza cheese. In the last one I used marble cheese with cheddar. I believe that the cheddar cheese make it a bit greasy. So I switch up the cheese today, guys. But use whatever cheese you like, okay? Whatever rocks your boat, you go with it. And my mushroom, I put a little Vegeta on my mushroom. On my mushrooms to give it just a little. I don't even want the blah mushrooms. I just want to have a little taste of something on it. So now I'll bake this in my oven. I'll bake this in the oven at 500 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Nettie's Amazing House. subscribe, subscribe. Bam, look at this. Look at this. I hope you're seeing it. Look at this. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Just keep pushing your dough right to the edge of the pan. Meanwhile, you're forming the crust. If you like a lot of pepperoni, put a lot of pepperoni. If you don't like a lot of pepperoni, don't put a lot of pepperonis. And this is my second pizza waiting to go into the oven.
That looks good though. That looks hella good.
So, from my amazing house to yours, remember to subscribe and check the suggestion box for my previous part 1, part 2. To yours, one love. Nettie's Amazing House.